Say hello to everybody, little girl. You got the hiccups. You sound like a little chihuahua. Yes, you. Here, let's fix that for you. Is that better? Yeah. Hold Daddy's hand.